Interface of Apple Motion. Once you start your Apple Motion and selected your project settings, you will be presented with this interface. So the interface is divided into a few parts. Here on the left side, you have the library. The library contains the behaviors, filters, generators, up to your favorites menu. Beside that, we have the Inspector tab. So the Inspector tab contains the properties of the layer, the behaviors applied to it, the filters applied, and the object. Next is the Layers tab. In this part, you can see all your layers in here. Next is the Media. When you import your media, it will appear in here and it will show the location of the media, the properties, and so on. And lastly is the Audio tab. If you import audio, it will appear on this part. Beside that is our work area. So this is our composition area where you will see all the animation, the keyframe, and all the layers. It will appear in here. And next, lastly, here at the bottom is our timeline. You will also have a layers tab in here, and here is the timeline area. So here on the timeline area, you can see your keyframes. If this is turned on, you can see your keyframes. And if it's turned off, you cannot see any keyframes here. Above that is the time code area where you can change the time code from frames to time code, and these settings. This one shows your timeline, which is this one. And this one, if you click this, it will show your audio timeline. And lastly, if you turn this on, you will see your keyframe editor. You also have this toolbar up here, so you can hide your Inspector tab if you click this, and the project pane. So this one is the project pane. I just call it Layers tab, and your import icon. Then add object. This add object is similar to the one here on the library. So it's like this. You can access your generators. You can also turn on your camera, your lights, your drop zone and rigs, then your behaviors. So it's also available here on the library and in here. Next is the filters here and on this side. So this is the interface of Apple Motion.